Hi. So, this is Luna, my ears to say, and this. Oh, it's backwards. But this shop right here, Little Paws Plushies, they sell ears to says, they sell Douglas's ears to says, stuff for cheap, and yeah. And my package arrived. It's raining outside right now, so I kind of want to get this quick. Oh, it might have been smarter if I grabbed scissors. Well, anyways, so I don't know if I covered all of my personal information, so I'm just doing that just in case. But yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna rip into it. I gotta use all my big girl muscles. Oh my god. Ow. Yeah. So, I firstly got. Oh my goodness. Okay. I've got a thank you card. Okay. Just a little note to say a big thank you. Your support means so much to me. I'm so grateful to have you as part of the Little Paws family. If you ever have any questions, I'm here. Enjoy our purchase and don't forget to tag me on social media. I would love to see you enjoying it. Lisa X. It's backwards. Anyways, so I got a vest. So finally I'm gonna have a vest that fits Luna, because you can see right now that that's quite big. Yeah. So I'm gonna put that on right now. I got an adorable Halloween collar. Look at it, it's so cute. And it doesn't have to just be for Halloween, because oh my goodness, I'm very happy right now. Okay. Bro, I'm struggling so hard. I was gonna go record somewhere else in my garden, but it's raining currently. So this is where I'm recording. Okay, I think you put it on like this. Oh, wait, no, I've done that wrong. Okay. Yeah, you just dramatically fall. Okay, like that. Okay. Is that the tightest it goes? Oh no, it can go tighter. That's good. Oh no, that's looser. Whoops. Wait, what? Oh, this is so cool but confusing at the same time. Okay. We have this strap right here. Okay. Is that? No. I need a. Wait, what? Huh? Oh. I see. Her floofiness is getting in the way. Bruh. Ow. Oh no! I knocked the card off. Okay, I'm gonna try this a different way. Is that thunder? I really hope it wasn't. I hate thunder. Fun fact about me, I hate thunder. One time when I was younger, I was in my mum's room and it was a thunderstorm and I hid under the covers and I literally started sweating because it was so hot under there and I didn't come out until the thunder was over. So yeah, there's a little fun fact about me. that not many people know. Ow. My back's getting really sore for some reason. This is a pain to get on. My brain is not processing how to do this. I need a third arm. Like, I feel like sometimes just having a third arm would make life so much easier. Yes, I did it, finally. That took way longer than it should have. Hello, little birdie. Bye-bye, little birdie. She keeps dramatically falling. I'm just gonna put that over you like that. Yeah. That's looking right. And then we put that on. We tighten it. Yeah! And we got a vest that fits. Oh, wow. Yeah, that purple definitely looks really good on her. Okay. She looks so good. And then we have cute collar. I'm going to put that on. Okay. Let's see. Yes, and it's actually a good tight fit. There we go. Oh, she looks so cute. Okay. I am super duper duper happy with this order. Don't mind that. It's just, yeah, but look at her. She's looking so good, but everything's backwards. And the tags are Velcro, so I could like make my own tag if I wanted. Sorry if that's like really sensitive. I'm trying out a new mic, so like my sound quality is better, hopefully. And yeah. So that's it. There she is. Oh, she looks adorable. And I am super duper duper happy with this order. Thank you so much, Lisa, for this order. Well, actually, I should be thanking myself because I paid for it. But thank you. Like, this is crazy to me. Like, I'm so happy. Look at that. So yeah, that's it. I don't know why that took me 7 minutes. It was probably me figuring out the vest. But yeah. I'm super duper happy now. Yay. Now I actually have some gear that fits. Yay. And I don't have to like choke her anymore. I can literally just hold her like this. Wee, 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 a wee, a wee, 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 wee. Okay. Now my next order is going to be either the Husky or a Douglas Wolf. Well, that I want, but can't afford. Cause I'm broke. Money zero. Send donations. How about a friend? I really hope I'm not gonna get copyrighted for that. I probably will. Okay. Anyways, let me do my outro. I don't have an outro, so I'm just kind of winging it. Let's hope that stays on. Actually, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna see. Can I go? Oh, yeah, no. Can I put up my eye? Yeah, no. Okay. There we go. So, I don't want to step out in the water because I'm in my socks. I don't like wet socks. Okay, I'm off topic already. Alright, so see you guys in my next short or video. Pretty. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one, or short. And yeah, and it would help me out if you aren't subscribed to me and you like my videos or you like my content. It would really help me out if you guys sub to me, because I want to be famous. Just a little dream of mine, and it would help me out if you guys lift a like or lift a comment if the comments are on, but YouTube probably turn them off because they're most of the time off. Anyways, bye. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Say bye, Luna. Bye.